Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Come on in, come on in, come on in. I'm gonna turn it around on me. Hold on 1 second. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Turn y'all around. Hey, 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 hey. Honeybees, y'all see my honeybee in my ear? Y'all get in here. Come on in here. Help me, babe. Alright, help me. Help me, Lord. Help me to hold on. Cake lady. Oh, Lord. Jesus. I got to bust up these here eggs. How y'all doing today? Mother Pearl, I just shipped your stuff off. I upgraded you. You'll see when you get it. James, how you doing? James Raykin in the house. Baby, I be using these eggs. They be gone. Keep it gangster, y'all. Keep it gangster. Alright, so I'm whipping my butter for 5 minutes. You gotta whip it. I'm whipping it for 5 minutes. Like you wouldn't believe. Hold on. Let me turn these off. Hold on 1 second. Okay. Okay. Shh. All right. I'm here. I'm giving y'all time to get in. Come on in. How y'all doing? Let me call my brother back real quick. I hope he ain't at the door. Y'all get in here. I'm baking. I'm running 2 at the same time. Veronica Busby, Crystal. Hey, you at the door? Okay, let me stop what I was doing. I'm on my live. I'll make it up real quick. And I'll leave it out. Okay, bye. Y'all, I got to get some oxtail soup out real quick. Hold on 1 second. For my brother. And, hold on. Hold on 1 second. I got some milk. Child, folk go crazy over soup. They really do, don't they? They love these oxtail soup. I tell you what. And they go crazy. He told me he almost here to get some. So I'm going to scoop him out some. Quit fasting in a hurry. Y'all doing okay? Then I'm going to keep baking. I've already shipped off some. That your shipments are being sent off as we speak. Come on in here. All right. I'm going to get ready to dip him out some of this soup. I'm just a country person. I ain't pretending to be country. I am country, and I love it. I cook country. I live country. And that's me. You really want to know? You can tell when a person really country. It's beyond delicious. I'm glad you enjoyed it. That's why the enemy try to fight me so hard. Let me see what I got. I got so many people want this oxtail soup. I got an older brother. I got to get him some over to his house too. That's his. This my baby brother. Next to the lace. Let me get him some. My older brother told me, just make sure you got some oxtails in there. So, that's what I'm trying my best to do. Is give everybody I can some of this soup. This oxtail soup. That's enough. I see some oxtails in here for my older brother. Cause I got to take him some too. So, that's pretty good, I think. It's half a gallon. I know you're going to want some cornbread. It's always something. But I love my brothers, and they love me back. My other brother came out and got some more of it last night. My older brother getting his today. This my baby brother. So, I don't get to keep stuff to myself. You know, when you grow up the same way, you know, not that you got to have the same mother and father, but when you grow up eating the same way, when they hear that you got something that they like, they gonna come get it. You know, especially when you cook like your mama, they gonna come get it. I love Cake King. I want his phone number to thank him. Because I want him to know I still do all my blessings on top of what I'm cooking. And I got 2 of them running at the same time. I need one more. If he got another one, I'm going to buy another one. I'm going to tell y'all something. Because that young man, he don't know me. He don't know me. But he blessed me. And you can sow back into somebody. Let me tell you something. You can sow back. And I got both of them running. And I'm going to shout him out. I know he done went out of business. I wanted an orange one. I'm grateful. I'm grateful for whatever I got. The color don't matter. It's the quality. You hear what I'm saying? The color don't matter. It's the quality. And I'm grateful. So I'm trying my best to get as much as I can done before my procedure. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm giving them a good sized piece of cornbread. You know, before my procedure. And then I have to bake for my own family. Then, you know, of course, the gifts that I give and stuff. And to make some of my elderly people feel good. I want him to know last Monday, I gave away 5 miniature heavenly pound cakes. Because I'm going to keep baking and blessing. This is my brother. He told me to leave it on the porch. He gonna come get it off the porch. So, and you know, I told y'all how I put my food up. So it make it easy for me to come, get what I'm gonna get, put it back up, and be done with it. He probably him. So let me go on and walk over here. You know one thing I can't stand? Don't pretend to be something you're not. You know, I don't know how to work with fondant. I do not know how to do all that. I know how to bake, and I know how I learned my own way of making my cakes moist. I love to send him some, but he don't eat sweets, he said. No use in sending people what they don't eat. Come on, let's go outside for a minute. There you go. I ain't walking up that hill now, brother. And he my X39 person. He makes sure I get my patches. Y'all, my grass coming in so good out here. And the deal's been coming out. They just been so nice. You ain't on that. I'm on him. Come on now. You ain't on him. Ugly self. Baby, you ain't on him. God, my baby brother be looking just like me. Y'all already know what he look like. But he think he Rico Suave. He look like 50 cent. But 35 cent.
Give me that. Don't do that.
Boy, it's on me. Now you do it one more time.
No, don't do it.
Okay, I'll turn it. You know I will.
Yeah, let's see. All right.
You got it, baby?
Look at that, both of them now.
Hey, I'm going to need some more.
When?
Soon as you can order them.
Okay.
They didn't have to hear your voice, but you should have told them how to get your X39s.
I do it another day. I got paint on them and everything.
Oh, no, I ain't got no camera on you. I wouldn't turn it on you for nothing. Just give them your phone number real quick. No, just give me your phone number. This is the one that sells the X39. Give me your phone number. It ain't on you, brother.
Okay.
Dang.
My number is 470.
Y'all can hear him. Okay, they
My
can hear you.
number is 470-274-6452. Do you have my thing pinged in there?
Nope. I'm asking you. You just do
Oh,
it.
I thought y'all had it pinged.
We don't have it right now.
Oh, tell them to go to. I always say www. Is that cool? I just don't even do that. Cause that's the only way to take it. If it's URL. If I do www, that's the only way mine will take.
It don't matter. You
Okay.
tell me what kind of cake you want. I just saw somebody say Jerome say he want a cake. Well, yeah, I say Jerome. That's what my eyes see, but it's not Jerome. It's Jeremy.
Y'all need to give them the website. Or you good?
Go and give it to him. Deacon Calvin, get your phone number. Go and give me your
Okay. Tell them it's www. Repeat it.
www.
Dot.
Lifewave
Lifewave.
LIFEWAVE.com
/ Young Life.
Young Life.
Women.
Yeah, it's Young Life.
No, it's Young Life.
It is Young Life.
I know it's Young Life, but is it /
They'll get it. Once they put the / it's Young Life. After that. Young Life.
Yeah, / Young Life.
All together.
.com.
.com. Young Life is one word. He got it. Deacon Calvin got it right here. You don't have to get on here, but look. It ain't on you. It's over there.
He got the / He put it in backwards.
No, he didn't. That's /
He put it in last.
/.com is what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's www.lifewave / younglife.com.
Yeah.
Deacon Calvin put / then younglife.com. He'll be back. This is what he just brought me.
Yeah.
He brought me the X39.
Let me make sure that's it. Let me walk to my truck and see.
Okay.